How to fix YouTube trending option not showing problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. YouTube has simply removed trending option on YouTube app. So open Google and type in youtube.com. After that, if you click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen or top left corner of your screen, there used to be trending option. Now, to find trending option, what you can do is, at the top, click on the search bar. After you click on the search bar, type in youtube.com. After you typed in youtube.com, type in /feed/trending. Then enter. After you have entered, you will find trending option in here. All the top videos are trending videos, and this is how to fix YouTube trending option not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.